this short warehouse tour, you will see that we stock all of our part numbers, so we're not back ordering parts. So you can feel confident that when you click place order at the end of your online ordering process, you will receive all of the parts that you have ordered. Our dedicated sales staff and customer service team are available Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We are the only company in the VW aftermarket industry to offer technical help to all of our customers anytime you need it. This ensures that you acquire the correct parts for your vintage VW. Our automated warehouse eliminates paper and errors. This is why CIP1.com is a leader in the VW restoration mail order parts industry. Once your order is placed at www.cip1.com, we process and send the order through to our state-of-the-art pick and ship system for quick and accurate delivery to your door. We ship all orders within 24 hours of inception. CIP1.com ships worldwide every day. With our long-standing and dedicated staff, we take immense pride in what we do. Thank you for watching our brief tour of the CIP1.com warehouse. We look forward to assisting you with all of your vintage VW needs, now and for many years to come. Please visit us at www.cip1.com or call us toll-free at 1-800-313-3811.